Now, this is how you can make Apple Watch show time all the time, right? So essentially, there are some things which you might be interested in, but most likely it is going to be about the always on display. So some Apple Watches have that, some don't, but let me show you how you can set it up. So essentially, inside of your Apple Watch, go inside of the settings in here, and there you should find the display and brightness settings. In here, scroll down a bit more, and we have the always on section. So there's a little description saying that this can make your Apple Watch show the time always, and also some other things as well. So when you have your Apple Watch on your wrist, you use it normally, even if you don't touch the screen for some time, and it should go black. It doesn't go black entirely, but it goes in this like power saving mode, but still displaying the time. So you want to make sure that it is turned on, and perhaps set up some other settings if some apps or notifications can be shown as well. But that's how you can make sure your watch shows the time all the time. But of course, one more caveat is that not every single Apple Watch is going to support it like the newer watches most definitely do. This is probably, I believe, the Series 8, if I'm not mistaken. Also, it works on the Ultra, so it works on the newer ones, but if you have like Series 4, I'm pretty sure it's not going to work on that one. So yeah, these are the things that you should know about it. I really do hope that you found this video helpful. Hit the thumbs up and like button if you did. Subscribe to the Foxtecc channel so you never miss videos like these in the future, and I'm gonna catch you in the next tutorial.